Polar just launched the new Street X, and it's clearly going after Garmin. You're getting a rugged design, AMOLED display, built-in flashlight, and strong battery, all at a much lower price. So the real question is, can it actually beat the Garmin Instinct 3? Welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's find out. What's new in Polar Street X? Polar is taking a different approach this time. This watch is designed not just for athletes, but for everyday users who want something simple, tough, and reliable. The biggest highlight is the built-in LED flashlight with red light mode, which is actually very useful for night runs or low-light situations. You also get support for over 170 sports modes, so it covers everything from gym workouts to outdoor training. And Polar has improved its heart rate tracking to deliver more consistent and accurate results during workouts. Overall, this feels like a more practical and complete upgrade compared to older Polar watches. Design, build, and display. Now when it comes to design, both watches are rugged, but they feel very different. The Polar Street X looks more modern and clean. It's lightweight, comfortable, and still strong enough to handle daily use, workouts, and outdoor conditions. At the same time, it keeps that rugged feel, so durability is not an issue. Garmin Instinct 3, on the other hand, feels more like a serious outdoor tool. It looks tougher, more aggressive, and is clearly built for extreme environments like hiking, trekking, and long adventures. Now coming to the display, this is where Polar clearly stands out. The Street X comes with a bright AMOLED display that looks sharp, colorful, and modern. Garmin uses a more basic display that focuses on efficiency and visibility in sunlight rather than visuals. So if you care about screen quality and a modern smartwatch feel, Polar is ahead here. Battery life. Battery performance is strong on both, but the approach is different. Polar Street X gives you around 10 days in normal use, solid GPS performance, and extended battery modes when needed. It's reliable for daily use and even long training sessions. But Garmin still leads in this area. Instinct 3 is known for longer battery life, especially for outdoor use and extended trips. So if battery is your top priority, Garmin still has the advantage. Connectivity and ecosystem. This is where Garmin clearly pulls ahead. Polar gives you all the essential connectivity features along with good training insights and recovery tracking. But Garmin offers a much larger ecosystem with more apps, deeper analytics, and better integration overall. If you like detailed data and advanced tracking, Garmin is the stronger option. Smart features and tracking. Both watches cover all the core features like heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, GPS, and multiple sports modes. Polar focuses more on simplicity and usability. It gives you clean, easy-to-understand data without overwhelming you. Garmin, on the other hand, goes much deeper with advanced metrics and performance tools, so it really depends on your preference. Polar is simple and user-friendly. Garmin is more advanced and detailed. Price. Now this is where things get really interesting. The Polar Street X comes in at around $249, making it a very affordable, rugged smartwatch. Garmin Instinct 3 is significantly more expensive, depending on the version you choose. So there's a clear price difference here. Final verdict. So which one should you buy? If you want a modern smartwatch with a better display, useful features like a flashlight, solid battery, and a much lower price, then Polar Street X is the better choice for most people. But if you want the most advanced tracking, deeper data, stronger ecosystem, and better performance for serious outdoor use, Garmin Instinct 3 is still the better option. For value, Polar wins. For power and depth, Garmin wins. That's it for this one. More smartwatch comparisons coming soon. See you in the next video.